Okay, here's a tutorial in Premiere Pro 2018 on how to increase the frame rate of clips. So these clips are here, and if we take a look at one clip here at details, you can see that the frame rate is 2997. It's almost 30 frames per second, and I want to increase that one to, let's say, a more fluent 50 frames per second. To do that, I increased the speed of clips, so select all of the clips, right click on them and speed duration. Okay, and 175% was added. Okay, so all the clips are being played faster. That means that there are more frames played in 1 second than normal, but it's not going to work that way. We have to go here to sequence and sequence settings and increase this number also, the time base, and this one is not allowing us 50 frames per second. So let's go up here to editing mode and set it to custom. Okay, and now we can set, let's say, 50. I don't want to use 60 because the speed of the clips is not exactly double, it's not 200%, so it's going to be okay with 50. Okay again, and now press Ctrl M on the keyboard to render it, and here H.264 is the codec and 50 frames per second, frame rate 50. Okay, and I'm going to increase the bitrate and export it. Okay, and after that the final video will not be 30 frames per second as the source, but instead it will be, okay, 2997, it will be 50.